Strategy formulation. Strategy formulation is the process of offering proper direction to a firm. It seeks to set the long-term goals that help a firm exploit its strength fully and encash the opportunities that are present in the environment. There is a conscious and a deliberate attempts to focus attention on what the firm can do better than its rivals. To achieve this, a firm seeks to find out what it can do best. Once the strengths are known, opportunities to be exploited are identified. A long-term plan is chalked out for concentrating resources and effort. So strategy formulation seeks to set the long-term goals that help a firm to exploit its strengths fully and encash the opportunities that are present to the environment. According to Henry Mintzberg, it is small, often an irregular, discontinuous process proceeding in fits and starts. There are periods of stability in a strategy development, but also there are periods of flux, of grouping, piecemeal changes, and global changes. So, strategy formulation is as much as art as it's science also. In fact, it is the art of strategy formulation that drives a fast growth and catapults a firm into a newer horizons. So leaders should develop skills and capabilities to sense early opportunities and be quick in making strategy moves. And strategy formulation seeks to set the long-term goals that help a firm exploit its strengths fully and encash the opportunities that are present in the environment. So there is a conscious and deliberate attempts to focus attention on what the firm can do better than its rivals. The To achieve this, a firm seeks to find out what it can do best once the strengths are known. So opportunities to be exploited to identify a long-term plan and chalked out for the concentrating resources and efforts. In generally, what happen in strategy formulation, performance results are generally periodic measurements of developments that occur during given time period, like return on investment, profits after taxes, earning per share, and market share. So current performance results are compared with the current objectives and with that of the previous years performance results. So if the results are equal to or greater than the current objectives, then the company will mostly continue with the current strategy. Otherwise, the strategy formulation process begin in earnest. Strategic management process consists of like various steps. First step is establishing organizational objectives, analysis of organizational environment, forming a quantitative goal, objectives in context with the divisional plans, performance analysis, a selection of strategy. So establishing organizational objectives, this step involves establishing a long-term goals of an organization. So strategic decisions can be taken once the organizational objectives are determined. So specify what product, market, technologies, and customers policies follows. Vision also communicate management aspirations to stakeholders of the company. So next step is analysis of the organizational environment. This involves SWOT analysis, meaning identify the company's strength and weaknesses and keep vigilance over competitors' actions to understand opportunities and threats. So strengths and weaknesses are internal factors which the company has control over. Opportunities and threats, on the other hand, are external factors over which the company has no control. So a successful organization builds on its strength, overcome its weaknesses, and identifies the new opportunities in the market and protects against the external threats. So external threats can be considered of like technological update, global market, everything. So next step is forming a quantitative goal. So defining targets so as to meet the company's short-term and long-term objectives. Example, 30% increase in the revenue. This for a company. So quantitative goals can be like acceptable, flexible, and that should be understandable. Next step is objectives in a context with the divisional plans. This involves setting up targets for every department so that they work in coherence with the organization as a whole. Performance of analysis. This is done to estimate the degree of variations between the actual and the standard performance of an organization. Selection strategy. This is the final step of strategy formulation. It involves evaluation of the alternatives and a selection of the best strategy amongst them to be strategy of the organization.